we have a question on the board. This is from JAMB 2019, question 20. It says, if f of x is equal to 3x³ plus 4x² plus x minus 8, what is the value of f of what? Minus 2. Now, it's not that difficult. What it means is that we have x here, right? They're not telling you that you put x as minus 2 into these guys. What will be the result? That means that anywhere you see x, just replace it with what? Minus 2. Now, it means that x is equal to what? Minus 2. I observe that I have SQ here, I have S² here, and I have x here. I'm going to break it down. When I do that, I'm going to have, for x³ is the same thing as saying minus 2, q, right? Just like that. It means that minus 2 is going to times itself 3 times, right? So I'm going to have minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, right? Exactly. Follow me. Now, I'm going to times the sign first. When I times the sign first, I'm going to have minus times minus in mathematics gives you plus, right? I'm going to have plus here. Then, we now have plus now. Plus times minus gives you what? Minus in mathematics. I'm going to have minus here. Now, for the numbers, 2 times 2 gives me what? 4. Then 4 times 2 gives me what? 8. I'm going to drop 8 here. Are you following? The next thing I'm going to do is to check for x². For x², I'm going to have x² is equal to minus 2 square. That gives me minus 2 times minus 2, right? Then is equal to, when I times the sign, minus times minus gives me a plus. I'm going to have plus. Then 2 times 2 gives me what? 4 as my result. The next thing I'm going to do is to substitute SQ as minus 8 and S² as 4 into this expression. When I do that, I'm going to have f of minus 2 is equal to, now I have 3, right, in brackets. My SQ is equal to what? Minus 8. I'll drop minus 8 here. Then plus, I have my 4. My S² is equal to what? Is equal to 4. I'll drop my 4 here. Plus, then I have just x. My x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Minus 2. I'm going to have minus 2 here, then minus 8. When you solve these guys, your answer is going to jump out. Follow me. I'm going to have is equal to 3 times minus 8. I'm going to have minus 24 plus 4 times 4 gives you what? Gives me 16. Then plus times minus is what? Gives me what? Minus 2. Then I have minus 8. If you impute these values in your calculator, you're going to have minus 18 as your final answer. Option C is correct.